FC03, FC04, FC16. Modbus function codes confuse everyone at first because the names are ancient. Here's each one explained with real traffic, not a table in a PDF. The 4 red codes map to the 4 data types. FC01 reads coils, writable bits. FC02, discrete inputs, read-only bits. FC03, holding registers, writable 16-bit values. That's your 40,000 range. FC04, input registers, read-only values from sensors. You can see all 4 polling here, side by side. Writes. FC06 writes a single register. FC16 writes a block. Watch. I'll write a value into a holding register, and the simulator issues a real function code 16 and reads it back. And this is the best teacher, the communication log. Every request and response in raw hex. There's the function code byte, the address, the register count, the CRC. Once you can read these frames, no Modbus problem survives long. The fastest way to learn function codes is to fire them at a device you can't break. Modbussimulator.com. Free trial, link below.